So, hi everyone, we have Gautam with us today, and today he would be sharing his interview experience for TCS. He's already selected into great MNCs. So, Gautam, please tell us about your interview experience for TCS. For all the students who would be watching this, I would just like to update this thing. Whenever you want to see the updated syllabus and pattern for TCS, you can go to our website also. So, yeah, Gautam, please begin with your interview experience for TCS.
Yes, ma'am, sure. So for the TCS interview, all the panel members of contain HR, TMR, and all the TR or in the single panel itself. So initially they started the interview asking me about myself. So once I completed telling all my details, they have asked some details regarding my project. So I have explained my project to them, and they asked me what are the real-time applications of your project. How can you apply to this in the real world? And I have quoted some instances. And later on, the tier round was started with all the basics of C questions, no? C language. So it contains like what is an array, differentiate between arrays and structures and unions, and dynamic memory allocation examples. All the algorithms related to that, and they asked some questions related to pointers and what is a dangling pointer. This was the question asked, and they asked me to write a algorithm for a palindromic string to find out a palindromic string in C language. So all the basics of equations are covered, ma'am, right from bottom to top. So once this is completed, they asked me some questions related to Python, like difference between tuples and lists in Python. So what are the functions of Python, and why did you choose Python out of all the languages available? So these were the technical round questions asked. Like
Everything basic, basic of C and C++,
yes,
basic of Python. And what
all were
about your
basic.
project?
About my project, yes, ma'am. Applications, real time application of my project.
Okay. And what about any other basic questions from DPMS or DSA or something, other algorithms?
No, ma'am, no DBMS, but from HTML they have asked some basic questions.
Again,
Like,
basic. Yeah.
are there any tags without closing, like self tagging, self closing tags?
All right.
That was the question asked. Yes, ma'am.
So basic of C and C++, Python and HTML, and about your
Yes.
project and all. This was your
Project.
TR, and it
TR.
took approximately for how long?
TR was around 20 minutes, ma'am. It took just 20 minutes.
Okay. All right. So let's begin with your second panel, which was MR.
MR round, yes, ma'am. For the MR round also, initially they asked me to tell about yourself again. Once I've said that, they gave me some situations like how will you handle these situations when a manager gives you a project and you couldn't complete the project in time. You need to talk to the client saying why you need to complete and what will you do to bridge the gap. These are the situation they have given me. And
situation based question regarding your project in company, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yes, ma'am. And they asked me, what do you know about trending technologies like machine learning, cloud computing, or edge technology? So, what do you know about them and explain them briefly? They asked me to explain them briefly.
Again, the TR questions in MR.
Yes, ma'am. So, that was around 10 to 15 minutes, MR round was.
Any other question from MR? Like, except
no,
this situation and the TR based question?
That's it, ma'am, in the MR round.
Let's begin to your third panel, which was HR.
Yeah, HR. So the HR one was very simple. All straightforward questions were asked like, are you willing to relocate? And they asked me whether you have any backlogs or not. And what was your GPA and what is your background? What will your father do? All general questions, man.
General questions about you.
Yes, sir. Yes, about me. And they asked, what do you know about the company?
Okay, they asked you about the company.
Need to work. The questions.
All right. Okay.
Yes.
So this was about your HR, right? Any other thing
HR,
that you
that's
would
all.
like to collaborate to this?
That's it. That's all regarding TCS.
Okay. So thank you so much again, Gautam, for sharing this beautiful experience with us, and all the best for your future. Again, a hearty congratulations from complete team
Thank you.
to you. Have a
Thank you,
bright
ma'am.
future.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.